Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, how are you doing? And if you're old, thanks for coming back. It's lovely to see you again. This video was basically supposed to be a get ready with me and a couple mornings in my life during the last week of term before we broke off for Christmas. And I did some weekend days, some weekdays, but generally was just supposed to show you a little bit more on how I style my hair to do with different outfits and skincare and makeup and all of that, because this channel is about my locks, how I style my locks, how I take care of my locks, all of that, but also how I style them with clothes and stuff. It all comes together, do you know what I mean? Locks is just one part. But then I had a really interesting conversation with one of my friends in university, and we were talking about aesthetics and how sometimes saying that you have a certain aesthetic traps you in that box, and a lot of people feel like that, and I've never actually noticed it like that. I used to say if I could afford it, my style would be cottagecore but really I changed my style up a lot. I decided to, okay, let's see what outfits and styles I had during this week, and I labeled them, and basically I just do all the aesthetics. I wake up and I'm like, what I want to wear, what I feel comfortable in, and that's what I go with. I don't focus on how it necessarily looks and how it fits into a box. And fitting into a box has been something in my life that has been quite negative. Especially as a woman of colour, you are put in a box very easily by society and other people around you. And so being in a box has been something I have really tried to get out of and just embrace who I am as an individual, whether it fits with something or it doesn't. And I just thought that was really important to just mention on here, because I know I'm labeling styles and I'm making sure everything matches, my hair matches what I'm wearing and my makeup and all of that, but really that is personal preference. It's not to say that I have to stay in this idea of what academia is. I'm wearing my shirt with joggers, do you know what I mean? It's all on what I like and what is my identity. I used to say my hair was what made my identity. People thought about me and thought big hair, long hair, Timothea. But really, a lot of things contribute to who people are, and it's not just DNA based, but it's also environmentally based. And I do have a channel about locks, I understand that, but that does not define me. So it is lovely to be able to show other parts of my life on this YouTube channel, and I really want to work on doing that, not just always doing hair content, even though that is my first love and that will always be what I mainly do on this channel. But I also love to delve into skincare because I'm obsessed, and showing you what I wear, makeup, what I eat are little things I'm going to add in here and there, just so you guys get to know me a bit more and just so it's a bit more all-rounded. Okay, that's enough rambling. There's no outro, so this ends really abruptly, so I'll see you in the next one.